Chapter 5. Let's learn Photoshop. Chapter 7. Starting Photoshop CC. Creating a new canvas. Opening image in Photoshop. Using Photoshop tools. Saving a file. Exiting from Photoshop. Starting Photoshop CC. To start Adobe Photoshop CC, Step 1. Click on Start button. Step 2. Click on All Programs. Step 3. Click on Adobe Photoshop CC 2019. A home screen opens that shows the recently opened files. Step 4. Click on Create New button. The new document window opens. Step 5. Select the required settings from Preset Details and click on Create button. The Photoshop window will appear as shown below. Look at the components of Photoshop window. Menu bar. The menu bar contains menus for performing different tasks. Options bar. This provides several options related to the selected tool. Palettes. Photoshop offers various palettes organized along the right side of the window, which helps to modify the properties of an image. Image tab. It displays information about the image opened. Canvas window. This contains the image that you are working on. Tools panel. The Tools panel contains tools to draw, paint, edit, and erase. Move tool, Marquee tool, Lasso tool, Magic wand tool, Perspective crop tool, Eyedropper tool, Spot healing tool, Pencil tool, Clone stamp tool, Art history brush tool, Print bucket tool, Smudge tool, Dodge tool, Pen tool, Text tool, Direct selection tool, Rectangle tool, Hand tool, Zoom tool, Set background color, Set foreground color. Creating a new canvas. To create a new Photoshop canvas, Step 1. Select File menu. Step 2. Click on New option in it. The new document window appears. It has the following options. Name. To assign an appropriate name to the file. Width and height. To specify the width and height of an image in different units of measurement, such as pixels, inches, points, and centimeters. Resolution. To specify the number of pixels. PPI. For web standard, set this to 72. For print standard, set this to 300. Color mode. To specify the color mode that determines the colors. The popular color modes are C, M, Y, K, cyan, magenta, yellow, black, and RGB, red, green, blue. Background contents. To change the background of the image by selecting any one of the three options: white, background color, and transparent. Step 3. Click on Create button. A new blank canvas appears. Opening image in Photoshop. To edit an existing image, it is required to be opened in Photoshop. Step 1. Select File menu. Step 2. Choose Open option in it. The Open dialog box appears. Step 3. Select the image file to be opened. Step 4. Click on Open button. Using Photoshop tools. Let us now discuss the functions of some commonly used tools for editing the image file. Marquee tool. The Marquee tool provides various options to select the area of an image. It can be in rectangular, circular, elliptical, or square shapes. Step 1. Click and hold the left mouse button on the Marquee tool. different marquee selection options will appear. Step 2. Select the required tool from the list and drag around the area you want to select. A dashed border surrounds the area you have selected. Lasso tool. The lasso tool is used for making a freehand selection. It helps to quickly select image along its edges. Step 1. Click on the small black arrow at the bottom right corner of the lasso tool. Step 2. A sub-menu opens. Select the required tool from the list of available tools. Lasso tool to make free-form selections in the desired shape. Polygonal lasso tool to select polygonal areas by clicking at different points. To close the selection's border, position the mouse pointer over the starting point and click or double-click the mouse. Magnetic lasso tool. This tool sticks to the edges of the image, thus making the selection very easy. To close the selection border, double-click the mouse. Step 3. Place the mouse pointer on the image from where the selection is to be started and drag around the areas of image to be selected. Magic Wand tool. The Magic Wand tool is used to quickly select the area of an image with a similar color just by single click. Step 1. Click and hold Quick Selection tool. Select Magic Wand tool in it. Step 2. Bring the pointer on the color to be selected and click the left mouse button. All the areas having similar color get selected. Move tool. The Move tool is used to move the selected image from one location to another. Step 1. Select the part of image to be moved. Step 2. Click on the Move tool. Step 3. Bring the mouse pointer on the selected area and drag it to the desired position. Crop tool. The crop tool is used to keep only the selected part and remove the remaining portion. Step 1. Click on Crop tool. Step 2. Drag over on the image to select the part of your image to be retained. A cropping border will appear on the image. If you want to change the selection size, you can use the crop handles. Step 3. Press Enter key to crop. Brush tool. The brush tool is used to apply smooth and soft brush strokes of the selected color on the image. Step 1. Select Brush tool. Step 2. Click on Set Foreground Color from the Tools panel. Step 3. Select a color to be filled from the Color Picker dialog box. Step 4. Set the appropriate brush, type, size, and opacity from the options bar. Step 5. Click and drag the brush on the image to apply the brush strokes. Paint Bucket tool. The Paint Bucket tool is used to fill color in an image or a part of it. Step 1. Select the area in which the color is to be filled. Step 2. Click and hold Gradient tool. Select Paint Bucket tool. Step 3. Click on Set Foreground Color from the Tools panel. Step 4. Select a color to be filled from the Color Picker dialog box. Step 5. Now, click inside the selection to fill it with the selected color. Gradient tool. The Gradient tool is used to fill the selection with blended multiple colors. Step 1. Select the area to fill with color. Step 2. Choose Gradient tool. Step 3. Choose an appropriate gradient type from the options bar. Step 4. Now click and drag in the selected area to apply the effect. Color Replacement tool. The color replacement tool is used to replace the existing color in the image with the new color. Step 1. Select an area of the image. Step 2. Click and hold the brush tool and select Color Replacement tool. The pointer will change to a target symbol. Step 3. Click on Set Foreground Color option from the Tools panel. Step 4. Choose the color you want to use from the Color Picker dialog box. Step 5. Now drag the pointer over the part where you want to change the color. Type tool. The Type tool is used to type text. Step 1. Click on Type tool. Step 2. Choose the font style, size, color, bold, underline, italics, etc. using the options bar. Step 3. Click inside the canvas and type the text. Step 4. Click on Commit Any Current Edits button in the options bar to save your text. Eraser tool. The eraser tool is used to erase a part of an image. There are 3 types of erasers available in Photoshop. Eraser tool, to erase all those areas of an image on which you drag the mouse pointer. Background eraser tool, to erase the background color from a layer of an image. Magic eraser tool, to erase the areas of an image that share common color pixels. Step 1. Click on Eraser tool. Step 2. Click and drag the mouse over the image to erase. Saving a file. After editing a picture, we can save the changes. The Photoshop files are saved with .psd extension. Step 1. Click on File menu. Step 2. Click on Save or Save as option as required. If we save our file for the first time, Save and Save as are same. If we have already saved our file and want to save it at a different location or with a different name or as a different image format, JPG, TIFF, PNG, GIF, then we can use Save As option. A Save As dialog box will appear. Step 3. Give a name to the file and change the file format if required. Click on Save button. Step 4. An Options dialog box opens. Click on OK button. Exiting from Photoshop. To exit from Photoshop, click on File menu and choose Exit or click on Close button on the title bar.